Welcome in Craft and Design 3.0. I'm the audience. In this video, I will explain some welding project of birds duck. Duck is the common name of numerous species of waterfowl in the family Anatoid. Duck are generally smaller and shorter necked than swans and geese, which are members of the same family, divided among several subfamilies. They are from taxon. They don't represent a monophyletic group, the group of all descendants of a single common ancestral species. Since swans or geese are not considered duck, ducks are mostly aquatic birds and may be found in both freshwater and sea water. In the basic, that is, belong to a kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Aves, order Ensiforms, superfamily Anatoidea, family Antide. Ducks are sometimes confused with several types of unrelated water birds with similar forms such as loons or divers, grebes, gallinules, and courts. Ducks are most beautiful and much interesting bird, so as the duck have a cosmopolitan distribution and are found on every continent except Antarctica. Several species manage to live on substractic islands, including South Georgia and the Auckland Island. Ducks have reached a number of isolated ocean islands, including the Hawaiian Island, Micronesia, and Galapagos Island, where they are often vagrants and less often resident. A handful are endemic to such far-flung islands. Some duck species, mainly those breeding in the temperate and Arctic northern hemisphere, are migratory. Those in the tropics are generally not. Some ducks, particularly in Australia, where rainfall is erratic, are nomadic, seeking out the temporary lakes and pools that forms after localized heavy rain. Humans have hunted ducks since prehistoric times in different countries: Egypt, Switzerland, China, and other countries related. Duck have many economic uses, being farmed for their meat, for their eggs, and feather, particularly their dawn. So they are also kept and bred by aviculturists and often displayed in zone. So thank you guys for watching our video. It is much interesting video.